In this tutorial, I'll show you how to migrate Google Drive to another Google Drive. By the end, you'll have your files move from one Google Drive account to another using sharing with ownership transfer or by downloading and uploading. First, use method 1, share and transfer ownership. Open the source Google Drive. This is the drive that currently holds the files and folders you want to move. Select the files and folders you want to migrate. You can hold Shift or Control to select multiple items. Click Share. You'll see the sharing window open. Add the new Google account by entering the email address of the destination Google Drive. Set the permission as editor so the new account has full editing access. Click Send to share the selected items. This sends the invite to the destination account and gives it editing rights. Now open Drive in the new account. Switch to the destination Google account and go to drive.google.com. Accept access. Open the sharing invite email and click Open or Accept so the items appear in your drive. You can also find shared items in the Shared with Me section. Right-click the file and choose Make Owner, if the option is available. Confirm the change when prompted. This transfers ownership to the destination account, which completes the migration for that item while keeping it in the cloud. If you don't see Make Owner, that option isn't available for this item or account. In that case, continue with Method 2. Now use Method 2. Download and upload. Download files from the old account. In the source Google Drive, select the files or folders you want to move, right-click, and choose Download. Yeah, watch the download start and wait for it to finish before moving on. Large selections can take time. Log into the new account. Go to drive.google.com in the destination Google account so you're ready to add the files there. Upload files to Drive. In the destination Drive, drag and drop your downloaded files into the browser window or click New and choose File Upload or Folder Upload, then select the items from your computer. Wait for the upload progress to complete so everything finishes copying to the new Google Drive. At this point, your Google Drive migration is complete and working, either by transferring ownership where available or by downloading and uploading your files to the new account. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.